And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is like my salon trolley that I've showed you. This is a reorganising at my lack shelf. So I am going to buy little storage baskets for my lack shelf. A few things are getting changed, a few things are getting moved about. Just gonna have a nice revamp, making it look a little bit more better. I've been putting things on there and then moving them about, thinking, yeah, that looks nice. But it just needs a bit of a revamp, nice and clean and tidy, sorted out properly. So I thought, you know what, I will film the process. So as always, like my dressing table and my salon trolley, I will show you what my what my lack shelf looks like now. I will do like a little before, and then when I do the full tour of what the lack shelf is looking like after I've done it all, I will then do a before and after clip. So I will do a shot of before so you guys can see what the lack shelf looks like, what sort of bits we've got on there, and then I will show you little bits of where I've got things from. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I have my rose bear on top. That is obviously going to stay there. That is not going to be moved. That's the only one thing that is going to stay. So then we have the little Shelly light. Please excuse how dirty they are on the shelves. I haven't had time to clean them, and every time I do try and clean them I completely forget. Then we have our Echo. I'm not even going to say it because she'll turn on. Then we have a photo of me and Nathan, a little rose box here. See, like little things I'm going to be moving about. Then I have my little designer books here, my little candle. And then I have another photo frame here of me, my sister and my cousin, and a rose bell. And then we have a year anniversary picture of me and Nathan. We was together for a year that time. And then obviously my Chip and Mrs. Potts here. So yeah, please excuse the state of the shelves at the moment. They will be nice and clean and tidy. But yeah, there's a few things that's going to be moved. I'm going to be buying baskets, so it looks a bit more prettier. When I start moving things about, I think the Chip and Mrs. Potts are going to stay as well. So that's the only thing that's going to stay. That I will be moving, but I don't know where I'm going to move it to just yet. Same with these. Same with the books and that, and same up here. It's all going to be different. There's just going to be baskets up there, so it's more storage. I don't know how I'm going to display it all just yet, but when I do, obviously I will show you the before and after. The rose bear will stay there, but everything else will be moved into different places. I will have something new there. But yeah. Sorry, it's probably the shortest video on earth, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what our lack shelf looks like and what sort of stuff that we have on there. So I just wanted to show you guys what our lack shelf looks like before I start revamping it and putting new stuff on there, moving things about. It needs to have a good clean, so when I go and buy all new stuff for it, I've got to take everything all off, give it a nice good clean, nice dusting over, spring cleaned over. Because I can't remember the last time I actually cleaned it. I know this is probably going to sound a bit dirty, but I can't remember the last time I cleaned it. Every time I get into my mindset and thinking, right, I'm going to give it a nice good clean, I get distracted by something else. I don't know if you guys have done that, but when you say to yourself, right, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to get this done, and then you get distracted by something else and it completely goes out of your head, and the time just goes on and on and on, and then you just keep looking and thinking, I was meant to do that. You know, so when I revamp it and put new stuff on there, everything's going to be moved, everything's going to be tidied up. Some things are going to be in different places, but yeah, I just wanted the lack shelf to be a bit more organised. It's not, I wouldn't say it's unorganised. I've just got stuff on there that I don't think that should be on there, sort of thing. So there's only 2 things on there that's going to stay. Like I said, is that rose bear at the top, because I've got nowhere else to put that, and I thought that looks really nice up there. And my Mrs. Potts and chip on the lack shelf as well, because it's very fragile, so I can't exactly put that anywhere else because it'd just break it and it'd just get ruined. And yeah, just a few little things that can be moved on there, so I'm going to sort that out. So when it comes to showing you the full tour, I will then obviously show you the before and after, showing you what its transformation looks like. It's going to be nothing drastic. It's just cleaning, tidying and organising and making it just a little bit more better. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to love you and leave you here. Like I said, there will be another video about my lack shelf, which will be the full tour of all the organisation bits and stuff on there as well, and what I've moved, etc. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Sorry if it's been really short. There's not that much to show you on my lack shelf. It's not that much, you know, I've not got so much stuff on there. It just needs a good revamp. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.